Students, this is A.K. Sharma Bio Classes. Today we are going to start the chapter number 5, the fundamental unit of life of class 9th biology. कोई घर या बिल्डिंग किससे बना होता है? They are made up of tiny bricks, or bricks are the building blocks of any building or any house. Similarly, any structure of a plant or animal, when seen under microscope, it is found that it is made up of many small units. जैसे घर ब्रिक्स जैसे स्मॉल यूनिट से बना होता है, उसी तरह कोई भी स्ट्रक्चर प्लांट का या एनिमल का जब माइक्रोस्कोप से देखा जाता है, इट इज़ फाउंड दैट दे आर मेड अप ऑफ tiny cells. Cells are very small, it cannot be seen by naked eyes. In Latin word, cells means a little room. Cell is the smallest structural and functional unit of life because इस सेल से ही सभी स्ट्रक्चर्स हमारे बॉडी के बनते हैं, और बिकॉज सेल्स आर एक्टिव, our body is active. So this is our functional unit of life also. In 1665, Robert Hooke discovered cells in a piece of cork which he examined under his primitive microscope. Cork cells are dead cells without cytoplasm. When he visualized slice of cork under microscope, he found that many compartments or many box-like structures are present, and these boxes were called as cells, and these cells were dead cells because these were actually only cell walls and they did not have any cytoplasm or any cell organelles. Let us see some facts and history related to terms associated with cells. Cell was first discovered by Robert Hooke in a slice of cork, but it was a dead cell. For the first time, living cells was discovered by Anton von Leeuwenhoek in 1674. It was a bacterial cell. Nucleus was first discovered by Robert Brown in 1831. Protoplasm was first termed as Purkinje. It was a fluid substance of any cell. Cell theory was proposed by Sladen and Schwann, two biologists in plants and animal cells respectively, and modern cell theory was given by Virchow. According to him, all the cells arises from pre-existing cell. What are living organisms made of? All the living organisms are made of cells, we all know. All living organisms are made up of cells, and any cells can be seen, and plant cells can be seen in an onion peel, which will do in the practical. Shape or sizes are different, vary in different organism, like see red blood cells round shape, white blood cell amoeboid, columnar epithelial cells long and narrow, trachea is elongated, neuron cells is long and branched, and mesophyll cell found in leaf is round. Smallest cell, PPLO, Lero pneumonia like organism, it is called mycoplasma. It is a prokaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell is devoid of true nucleus and membrane bound cell organelles. Eukaryotic cell found in higher organisms, higher invertebrates and vertebrates, in animal cell and plant cells also. Largest cell is ostrich egg. Smallest cell in our body is red blood cell, and the largest cell in our body is nerve cell, neuron cell. You can see here bacterial cell is prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic animal cell. Smallest cell is mycoplasma, largest cell is ostrich egg, smallest cell in our body is red blood cell, and largest cell in our body is neuron cells. Cell theory was proposed by Matthias Sladen and Theodor Schwann in plants and animals respectively, and this cell theory states that all living organisms are composed of cells and the products of cells. All cells arises from pre-existing cell. This was added later on after Virchow's statement came. Rudolf Virchow first explained that cell divides and new cells are formed from the pre-existing cells through cell division. Omnis cellula is cellula, that means new cells are formed from the pre-existing cell through cell division. Unicellular and multicellular organism. There are some organisms which are made up of only single cell, as in amoeba, euglena and bacteria, and these organisms are called unicellular organism. When many cells are grouped together in a single organism, then they are called multicellular. Multicellular is made up of more than one cell or many cells. Example, fungi, plants, animals, they are multicellular organisms. इन मल्टीसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म एक चीज़ और देखा जाता है कि सेल्स जो ग्रुप हो करके दे फॉर्म टिश्यू और टिश्यू ग्रुप टुगेदर टू फॉर्म ऑर्गन्स, ऑर्गन ग्रुप टुगेदर टू फॉर्म organ system, and organ system grouped together to form body or an organism. So in multicellular organism there is a division of labor. That means the different parts or different organs of an organism perform different function, and there is division of labor. Multicellular organism: fungus, plants, animals, we can see here. Structural organization of a cell. All the cells are made up of plasma membrane, nucleus and cytoplasm. Plant cells have cell wall in addition to the above components or plasma membrane. So cell wall is the outer most membrane of plant cell. This is outside the plasma membrane. Plasma membrane or cell membrane discovered by C. Nageli or C. Kramer in 1855. It is the outermost covering of cell except plant cell, because in plant cell the cell wall is the outermost covering. Plasma membrane separates the contents of the cell from its external environment. It is very thin, elastic, living and selectively permeable membrane. Very important, it is selectively permeable membrane. That means it does not allow all the molecules across through it. It only permits some materials, some molecules to pass across through it. It is made up of lipid and protein. We can see here the structure of plasma membrane. It is made up of bilayer of phospholipid and a protein which is embedded in the phospholipid layer. So it is made up of phospholipid molecules and the protein which is conjugated with carbohydrate becomes a glycoprotein. Functions of plasma membrane. It allows the entry and exit of some materials, ions and molecules in and out of the cell. It encloses a nucleus and cytoplasm. It also prevents the movement of some other materials. It helps in protection of cellular components. How does the movement of substance takes place into the cell? How do substances move out of the cell? Some substances like carbon dioxide and oxygen can move across the cell membrane by a process called diffusion. And diffusion is the process of movement of substance from the region of high concentration to a region of low concentration. Thus, diffusion plays an important role in gaseous exchange between the cells or the cells and its external environment. What is diffusion? Diffusion is the movement of molecules from its higher concentration level to its lower concentration